Hi friends, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Happy to have you here today. This is just a short little video where I am going to show you how to clean, cut, and start the drying process for dandelion roots. So if you could like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, check out my description down below. I have my link tree which links to everything that is me. You support this channel, help me to have time to make more videos by going in that link tree, clicking on buttons, going to the different links to make purchases. So for instance, I have Mountain Rose Herb in there. That's a great place for bulk herbs. I have my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is, of course, a great place for herbal products and more that I have in there. And then there's Jake Ducey, a program, his programs that I really recommend. But anyway, go check that out yourself and let's get started. As you can see, I have the dandelion I just picked and I cut the root off right there at the stem. There it is, nice and dirty, ready to be washed. So I add water to my bowl and I just, with my hand, wipe off the mud. You don't want to let your roots sit in the water and soak them because you will actually start to extract the properties like you're making tea. So you kind of clean them quickly. And then I changed the water, did a fresh batch of water there to get the dirt off. And it's pretty clean. So then I wipe it off with a paper towel, just kind of dry, get any little bit of remaining dirt. And then what you're going to do is cut into pieces, which is kind of difficult here with one hand. So you could make it smaller than an inch. I did half, or you could do ½ inch, and I'm having a hard time cutting right at that spot. It's thick. There we go. All cut. I cut into 1-inch pieces. And then how do you dry? Well, I like to dry my roots on paper towels. So I know this is just one, but it's an easy way to see. You put it on the paper towel, dry them, and when they're all dry, you put them into a jar and you store in a dark cabinet.